Hello, friends. Guess who's going to New York?
Bonk.
I'm going to New York in less than 24 hours. I'm gonna pack right now. I need some help with choosing my outfits. Here's my suitcase. I was contemplating if I should take a checked bag because New York is super cool right now. Highest is like 40 and lowest is like 30s.
Are super cool for a Californian like me.
But then again, I'm only staying there for a week so I can repeat my outfits. I'm contemplating because on my way there, I have no free carry-on, but on my way back, I have a free carry-on for American Airlines. And then United's carry-on is like the same price as doing a checked bag, which I don't understand. I don't know if I can fit everything. Let's make some outfits. I definitely want to take this puffer. This jacket. This jacket is so New York. Hey, watch it. I'm walking. I'm gonna take some earmuffs. Last year I went to Chicago and I was traumatized. My ears were frozen. So I'm definitely gonna pack this. I look a little ridiculous. I don't think I should do this, Beanie. I've been wanting to wear this one too. Should I take this or the earmuffs? I'm gonna take both. I got this from my last year New York trip. Hello. Hi. Scarf. Puffer vest. Heat tech. Kind of finished packing. Oh, I'm so tired already. It's only 8:17.
Bonk.
Gonna do a little bit of work that I want to finish before I go to New York. And then Eugene went to sleep. Next day. Good morning. It is the morning of my flight. And since I'm gonna be gone for a while, my parents are gonna look over Nana. Nana. Your belly! She's going in because there's no catnip inside. Oh yeah, that was so easy. But I swear it's usually not this easy to get her inside. Nana, you're such a good girl. Meow. Meow. Say bye, Nana. Bye. Bye. Eugene successfully dropped off Nana, and then her friends came over. Justin's here.
What's up?
Oh, Angie's here.
Sorry.
He bought us food. Whoa. Wait, this is you and yours.
Yep, this is yours.
You got the garlic sauce. Oh, that looks so
Bam.
good. Oh my god.
Bam.
Oh, thanks. Yes. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. That smells so good.
What's the tea? You need no tea?
The tea?
No tea? I feel like you guys live very tea-free lives.
Yeah. That's so true. We do.
Hey guys,
Hey guys,
it's Justin and Eugene here.
it's Eugene and Justin here.
Hey guys,
Hey guys.
it's Angie here.
And I'm with Eugene and Justin.
Eugene and Justin.
Hey guys, it's Justin here, and
Hey guys, it's Eugene.
Hey, I was supposed to go first. We're going in rotation. Why are you doing this? Anyways, hey guys, Justin here.
Hey guys, Eugene here.
I'm gonna fight you.
Dude, you're
Fight
like
you.
a beaver.
Yeah, that's fucked up, dude.
Really?
On some real shit, like, I'm gonna level with you here, that's fucked up.
You know you look like a beaver.
That's, hey now. I look more like Majin Buu than I do. Dude.
You're watching Boo?
Yeah, dude, Majin Buu, here. Did you not watch Dragon Ball Z?
I kind of look like that.
No, you don't look like that.
I think I look more like that.
No, you don't. You look more like Alvin from Alvin with the Chipmunks.
I look like Theodore from...
That's fair.
I look like
Okay,
Theodore's
yeah. I don't know. I don't know.
Here, let me show you. It's literally me.
This one looks like you.
Which one? Theodore?
Theodore.
Not the girl? Maybe not as much anymore.
No
but
comment.
she's kind of like
No comment.
got smaller.
I'm not trying to be canceled. No comment.
What are you trying to say?
This is pizza not to drink this one, but I've been drinking it every morning.
I don't look like a reputable source because I look like a fucking dumpling, bro.
315 PR bench press for 3 reps.
It's like having a skincare routine. You know, it's just you gotta be consistent. And you gotta buy quality product. Same thing when you buy your supplements.
Can I be part of the thumbnail?
Yeah, sure.
That's your thumbnail.
No, I don't think that's gonna be now. Maybe you can like hold my backpack or something because I'm going to New York. So it's gonna be like going to New York.
Gotta blast.
Got a blast!
Gotta blast.
Maybe this. He's gonna rap for us.
No, I'm not. Yeah! Oh! Yeah! No, I'm not! No, I'm not! Did you say boots and cats? Really? That's the best you can do? No,
No one would have noticed.
Hey guys, welcome to the Last Two Brain Cell podcast where we talk about us being in our last 2 brain cells. You want to start off? You being the host, you know?
Yeah. Justin can laugh without showing his teeth.
we're going straight to that segment? Okay, I thought we were going to save that for the last.
And that is it for the 2 last brain cells podcast.
See you next time!
Bye!
Ready with me to New York, and it's just gonna be like one snippet of us talking, cut to her packing, cut to the airport, cut to the plane ride, cut to landing, and then all the festivities in New York. I already know. That's what's gonna happen.
That's edgy. I add a little bit more.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You add more substance, more nuance, the more
You don't watch
je ne
my
sais pas.
videos?
I do.
Then
You're
you
one.
should know.
The ones with your grandma are so wholesome.
Oh, you watch those?
Yeah,
Oh, awesome.
so wholesome.
Hey, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, grandma.
Yeah, what's the name?
Leftovers. Girl dinner. Girl dinner.
I ordered this light and it came right now. Hey everyone. Oh, I'm blind. So bright.
We can do a different color. Some more yellow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so bright. Backlight.
Yay.
Yay. And we're off. Bye, Angie. Angie's taking me to the Union Station.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Hi, thank you. I got my luggage and now I'm currently waiting for a man named. His flight arrives a little later than me, so I'm just waiting here. Wow, it's currently almost 6 a.m., which is 3 o'clock in LA. I slept for like around 2 hours, so I'm pretty awake right now. I am a little hungry though.